look what we have here. Our new S7 HengJian Z300. Yeah, today is my first proper ride, so you're going to come along with me. So I'm going to push it out to the community because there's people doing Tai Chi here and I don't want to ruin their Tai Chi class. Anyway, pushing this bike is super easy. It's super light compared to that other fucking 4-stroke monstrosity. We have about 30 kilometers to go to Chongzhou, which is obviously a bit unfortunate driving this 2-stroke on the highway, but kind of I'll keep everything quite chilled. Won't drive too fast. So I just arrived at Chongzhou now, and yeah, it's a bit wet here, but actually the ride here wasn't bad. Yeah, it was okay. Martin's just arriving now. Where the fuck is he going? Just straight through the bushes. So away we go. Man, this place is overgrown as since the last time I came here. Don't even know where to go. Oh, Martin found the track. I can't wait for these tracks to dry out again. One thing I feel with this bike is that I'm constantly worrying about the throttle, about fucking flipping the bike or something, you know. Oh, nice. The tail of this bike is still not attached properly. I must have not attached it properly like yesterday. Now there's 3 of us going for our second little run. Yeah, but in general this bike feels really nice. It's really tall, super tall, but I'm really having a hard job with the clutch. The clutch is rock solid, and the accelerator is super sensitive, so it's like I'm constantly stalling the bike, and I'm also constantly worried about fucking flipping the bike, you know? Nice. This one here is a bit more steep. This one has a bit of a lip. Well, we've done a bit of practice now, and we're going to go back, have some lunch, and we're going to hit the trails in the afternoon after lunch. Okay, so off we go. We just finished our lunch, and off we go. I can finally get into second gear. Fuck me, all the trail is overgrown. Jesus Christ. I can't wait for it to dry out again. What happened when? And the power difference compared to the 4-stroke is bananas. Nice. Yeah, the power difference compared to the 4-stroke is mental. Ni hao. Oh, you be fucking go now. Where's he taking us now? Jesus Christ! He took my fucking arm off! Oh, careful, Wen. Oh, I nearly take your goggles off. Getting used to the no engine braking on this bike is a little bit difficult. literally going through a fucking trash yard. Oh, here we go. Nice when. Oh, there we go. Nice. Okay, we're out of the trees. Back onto drier land. My god, that was horrible in there. It was ridiculously slippery. What the fuck is this now? Says a lot when the forest is bloody easier to ride on than the road. Hey, we're off again. And the second gear on this bike is amazing. It's like ridiculously amazing. Not that I've used it much today yet. Oh fucking hell, here we go. Another crazy downhill. Oh, this one's not so bad, at least.